Love yours.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tymarrahgi. We are back with another video. So today we are working with Asteria hair. Now we're starting with this bob cap. You already know, looking like a potato, and we're getting into this curly hair. This is 28 inches, 250 density. So y'all know this wig is going to be very thick. Y'all can already see it's giving volume. It's very thick, and it's living up to the 250 density, because some companies be saying it's 250 density and they do not be giving that. But Asteria hair always delivers. If you guys watch any of my tutorials from Asteria hair, all of their hair, all of their curly hair, it doesn't matter what hair it is, it always gives always. So I'm just showing you guys how thick and stuff this hair is. And every time I do a unit, I do like my wigs are medium size. So you know they have small, medium, large, and my caps are always medium, but I do always have to like kind of cut it to, so it can fit exactly to my head, because the small is just gonna be too small and the large is gonna be too large. But the medium is just right. I guess I have a medium sized head. But we're using the Erica J glue. I do have a new glue that I want to try soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But I'm just using the Erica J glue for this. I did do about 2 or 3 layers and just let it air dry a little bit before we laid the lace down.
Ask for strength from the Lord up above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons, cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours, but you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
So now that that lace was melting and stuff, well, our first melt with our elastic band, I am going ahead and just cutting off that lace. And when I'm cutting off the lace, I like using a eyebrow razor. I rarely use scissors for the whole process. I will use scissors like towards the end a little bit. Sometimes I don't really even use them, but it's rarely when I'm using them for like little parts. But for mainly cutting your lace, just make sure you have an eyebrow razor, because it makes it so much easier. And now we're just going ahead and just getting our parts and stuff together. I am going for a side part with this look. I'm not doing nothing too extra, just some really cute baby hairs. The baby hairs are going to be dramatic because it is curly hair. And when I do big curly hair, I want the baby hairs to be really dramatic. And the hair, I don't want the hair to do too much, because we're not doing like a crazy style. We're just doing the side part, so I just want everything to, pop. So I did take out some of my baby hairs, and I did pluck a little bit, and now we're just cutting them. And one thing that I really loved about this, normally when I do have to take my baby hairs out, I do have to pluck the hair that I'm taking out for the baby hairs a lot. And the only thing I had to do that for real was just the sideburns. And everything else, I did not even have to pluck the baby hairs, like the hair I'm using for the baby hairs, a lot. So that made this process just so much easier, y'all. But as you guys can see, that lace is melted, y'all, and the big hair, it's just giving natural, like it's just giving natural vibes. I just wanted to show y'all the little close up, like it was just giving what it was supposed to give. So now I'm using this Erica J melt spray. Now the melt spray is really good. I'll give it a 10 out of 10, but I just wish the bottle was a little bigger, because my bottle almost gone, y'all, and I've only done like a few installs with it, and it took forever for it to come. So I'm just like, dang, like, okay. Because I don't want to order it again and wait for it to come. I just want it to last a little longer, just a little bit. But before I'm doing my baby hairs, I just sprayed some holding spray on there, and I didn't even tie it. I just held it and took my blow dryer and just blow dried it probably for like 2 to 3 minutes. Really, I didn't even blow dry it for that long, and I took it off. And I just wanted the hair to be laying down before I curled the baby hairs and before we get into, styling the baby hairs.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. No such thing, no such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Thing is a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we have.
Okay, guys, so the baby hairs are done, and I did have this scarf just sitting on my head so that it could be like really smooth and just like be really laid when I take it off. This isn't initially how I'm gonna wear. I'm not gonna wear it like slick back. It's gonna, as you guys can see, it was a side part, but I'm just having that laying down there while I go ahead and define these curls. Now I'm just using mousse and water, but this is a lot of hair, so make sure you guys just divide the sections and detangle it. And I'm using the unbrushed brush to do that. I really love that brush. That brush is really bomb. I've been using it for quite some time now, since it started going viral on TikTok. And I think I got it when it first started going viral on TikTok, and then I've been using it ever since. I got it from the TikTok shop, and it just works so good, y'all. But this is me brushing through the hair, no problem, without any other product on it, no conditioner, no nothing. It's just water. So to define the curls, only thing I used was water and mousse. So the water and the mousse did exactly what it needed to do, and it just looked really, really good. But just don't let it being so much hair just like overwhelm you. Just take your time and go through each section, because defining the curls on this is going to really bring this hair out and really bring the texture out, because it is a really beautiful texture. And I feel like if I didn't do this the way I did it, it wouldn't have came out as cute as it did, because I really wanted to go for a really cute natural look. Like, I didn't do makeup for real. I don't have no lashes on, no nothing. I just wanted to give really cute, natural, curly, vibes. Like, I really wanted to give that, and it definitely did. So you guys already know, Asteria Hair always does that big one with the curly hair. I just love it so much. Make sure you guys click that link down below. Y'all already know. Go on and click the link down below and shop Asteria Hair, because their hair is just always amazing, especially when it comes to curly hair. When people ask me about curly hair, Asteria Hair is always one of the companies that pop up, because their curly hair has been good. And if you guys go on my page, y'all will see every hairstyle I've done by Asteria Hair, curly hair, over the years. It's just always been top quality hair. So make sure you guys just check them out and just see all the other hairstyles and stuff that they have, all the other wigs and stuff. But their hair is just always so bomb, y'all. Y'all see these curls, like the curls, they just look so juicy, so cute, and I just love it so much. But I'm just perfecting the part a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some makeup on it, and then we're gonna be basically done, y'all. Like, I just love that curly hair. It's low maintenance and high maintenance at the same time, because you have to keep up with the curls and make sure that the curls look really, really good. But that's just a matter of spraying the water. But when it comes to doing a curly install, I'm just always so happy because the only thing I literally have to do is just do my baby hairs and like, perfect my part and get the curls looking good. But I honestly really, really love the way this look came out. I loved it so much. And like I said before, Asteria hair, they always do their big one on the hair. Like the hair is really thick. It's giving wet look because right here, the hair is wet, but in right here, the hair is pretty much dry. So this is the look you're going to get by detangling the hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, babies, we out. Stay blessed. Love you guys so much.